stream for Show Me Gold family. And we will do the disco this early morning so that we can give good vibes to everyone. I hope you have a good day. Everyone, keep safe. And healing for everybody that who have sick. And doing this live stream, sharing to you what we are experiencing. Here at Mexico, Missouri, you will see the window have snow. Mega love shout out to all. 5 million in the house. Thank you for coming to our live stream. Good evening, Philippines. Good morning, good evening to other place. Here is 6:30 a.m. in the morning. Mga lalabs. Good morning, everyone. Today is February 2, Wednesday. This is how it looks like outside our door. And my husband is going out to clear our entrance. We have 3 days winter storm. Let's see how high. Be careful. I'm doing your feet. Key. Where's your key?
Huh?
Where's your key?
Miles and...
Here. Here. He will clear the entrance. And this is how it high. Kids is excited to play at snow later. We have a winter storm yesterday, Tuesday. Today is Wednesday, 6 a.m. in the morning and until tomorrow, Thursday. Continuous snowing, and they said that the news that 8 to 12 inches high. husband is starting to clear the entrance. It's so cold. See our entrance door. It's chilly. People starting to go to work. I'll close the door now. It's so chilly. And it's it's so cold. Here's my husband. It's snowing. The snow is so fine. He's pushing the snow this early morning. Continuously snowing until Thursday. My husband is clearing the entrance area of our place so that the guests can easy to go out when they leave. It's good to eat lugaw today or soup. Sopas and adobo with spicy adobo with rice or fried rice. You will see how fine the snow. It's like how can I describe it? You can make it slushy. I'm doing live stream and listening Owen's official TV's music. Shout out to Team Angels and Team USA and to all teams. And today they have a snow day. Our kids is just stay at home. We already did stock food for this winter storm so that we cannot go to store. We just stay. This is yet our door. 3 a.m. and now I'm up 6 a.m. I just sleep for 2 hours. Clearing the road, the mode that they doing this, that maybe they not sleep, trying to clear the road. I need to get warm.
I think this is 1 inch.